walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, riding around hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Morning, you guys. It is the first day of school. I was gonna do a talk over, but I'm not. I'm just gonna walk you guys through their routine. Kalia is asleep right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wake her up. Kalia. Sorry for the bright lights. I have the lights on. Good morning. Say good morning to YouTube.
Hey YouTube.
Yeah, sorry for the bright lights. If anybody is asking or wondering about her room, I've already done like a full room tour. So you guys can click the link in the description. So Kalia wakes up in the morning. She gets up. She brushes her teeth, wash her face. Kalia, you don't really do a skincare routine in the morning time, do you?
For school, no.
No.
I just wash my face with Dove soap and water.
But if you guys want to see her skincare routine, it will be linked down below. She did it because some of you guys was asking her to do it. So yeah, you guys know my kids are not YouTubers. They pop in every now and then. My daughter works and she has other curricular activities at school. So she's just gonna go ahead and brush her teeth, wash her face. She's gonna get in the shower. I will go ahead and show you guys her outfit of the day for her first day of school. If you guys want to see more outfits of the day, just give this video a big thumbs up and I can definitely try to do that for you guys. I'm not making any promises, but I will try. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of Kalia's personal space and I'll come back and show you guys her OTD, her outfit of the day. Like I said, if you guys want to see her skincare routine, it will be linked down in the description below. Also, any vlogs that I did with them for back to school will also be linked in the description below. So that's pretty much it. So you want to say bye to the people? Okay, you guys, so this is Kalia's outfit of the day. Her top came from Ross. Her necklace came from Forever 21. Her hoops came from Charlotte Russe. You guys know in the vlog with her and my niece went shopping at Charlotte Russe and Forever 21. She picked up those two pieces. And then these pants came from Charlotte Russe as well. You guys saw her try these on in the vlog. And then her sandals came from Target. And then that is her Louis bag that she's going to wear. So this is her outfit of the day. Like I said, if you guys want to know where she purchased, well, not where she purchased, where we purchased, me and her father, her outfits, go check out those vlogs. They will be in the description down below. Also, if you guys want to know if I've done her room tour, I've definitely done her room tour. It will be linked down below as well. Kalia is about to do her hair. And what is that you use for your edges, Kalia?
Got to be glue. The best edge control in the business. These will have your edges frozen for the 3 days.
What is that brush you're using?
I actually just bought this. It's I Love Anna Beauty edge control brush. It was $1 at the beauty supply store.
So she's basically doing her edges. She's already got out the shower and put her clothes on. And that's pretty much all she has to do, you guys, is her edges, put on her necklace, her earrings. You already put on lotion and stuff, Kalia?
I put some on my knees, but I gotta put some on my feet. I always forget my feet.
What about your face?
I put baby oil and coconut oil on my face.
Okay, so I did not get the footage where she put coconut oil and baby oil on her face, but that's what she uses on her face. And You guys, I will get my son getting up and getting dressed as well. But his get ready with me is going to be very, very simple, very, very easy. Because all he has to do is get up, brush his teeth, wash his face, jump in the shower, sponge his hair, put on his clothes, and that's pretty much it. So Kalia's just going to continue to do her edges, and I'll show you guys exactly what it looks like. Look like you're running out, Kalia.
That's what I was just going to say. They having a sale. It's like 50% off. And they were selling the bottle like this for $2 the other day.
You're going to wear your hair up or down?
Down.
Okay, you guys, so she's just doing her edges, and that's pretty much it. So the next clip you guys will see will be her fully dressed and ready to walk out of the door. Kalia is almost ready. She's putting on her jewelry, and she is good to go. And I'll show you guys her outfit once she's completely done. Kalia's outfit of the day, you guys. Nice, cute, and simple. She did add on her ankle bracelet, as you guys can see. Turn to the side, as you guys can see. And that's pretty much it. So I'm about to wake up my son. And you got this TV on. Look wise.
Yeah.
Look wise.
Yeah.
It's time for you to get up. You're a freshman, son.
I'll get up in a couple of minutes.
In a couple of minutes? Look wise. It's time for you to get up. You're a freshman. You gotta get up. So the first thing my son do when he get up in the morning, you guys, is rinse his mouth out with mouthwash, brush his teeth, wash his face, use the restroom, and he's going to take a shower. In his shower, that's his shower right there, you guys. And then I'll come back once he get out the shower. Are you about to lay your clothes out, what you're wearing, so I can show them what you're wearing? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So while he's in the shower, you guys, I'm going to show you guys what he is going to be wearing on his first day of school. So as you guys can see, he's brushing his teeth, and then he's going to rinse his mouth out, and then he's going to take a shower. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so while my son is in the shower, I'll go ahead and show you guys his outfit of the day he just laid out. If you guys are interested in seeing where he got some of his school clothes from, I will link all the back to school vlogs down below. If you guys are interested in seeing like outfits of the week videos, I can definitely try to get them to film them in the morning before school. I'm not sure. You guys know my son is a freshman, and he is the quarterback of the football team. So he has to get up super early and stuff like that. And also my daughter is a junior, and she has work and other activities in school. So I will try my best. You guys know my kids are not YouTubers, but I will put them on my channel every now and then when you guys request it. So if you guys give this video a thumbs up, then I can definitely show them the difference in the ratio between the thumbs ups and thumbs down. So stop what you're doing right now and give this video a big thumbs up. That way I can let them see, and we could possibly do outfits of the days for the entire week. So enough rambling. This is a shirt that he got, I believe, from Burlington. Like I said, I'm not sure. All the vlogs will be down below when we went back to school shopping. It's just a basic white tee. It kind of looked like it's tie-dye with the black on it. Right here it has a hand with praying with a rose. And then right here is a pair of his short Levi's. You guys know out here in Texas, it is extremely hot. So he definitely wanted to wear shorts for the first day of school. Like I said, these are some Levi's. These are his Nike socks. If you guys remember, we got these from Shoe Carnival, I believe. And then we went back to a place called Dick's and got them as well with his cleats, which I will show you guys in just a minute because he has to take those to school as well for practice. And then these are his shoes. These are the Nike Air Force Ones. I showed them in the vlog, but these are the shoes right here, just in case you guys wanted to know. A lot of people was asking me about those shoes in the vlog, so that is the name, okay? For everyone who haven't seen them, these are one pair of his shoes he picked out for school. They're like holographic, as you guys can see. Super, super cute. I actually want to get a pair myself. I really do like these. These are definitely unisex. Of course, you guys know all Air Forces are unisex. Super, super cute. I love these. Okay. And then this is his necklace. You guys know, like I said, he's the quarterback of the football team. And when he went to his formal, we picked this necklace out for him. He wanted a nice chain. So down here, he has the helmet and the football. I think he's going to wear the football today. And then right here, just his AirPods and his iPhone XR. And then right here is his cleats. I don't know if you guys care to know the name of them, but this is the name of his cleats. And yes, he has a big foot. So these are his new pair of cleats. He taking, what the fuck am I saying? It's too early, you guys. It's too early. I can't even talk. These are his new cleats. If you guys notice, the writing is S-H-H-A, which is shh. So I thought these was really, really cute. This is how the back of the shoes look. And just some cleats that he need for football. And that's how the inside of them look. So I will show you guys his outfit of the day and stuff like that once he get out of the shower. So yeah, this is his outfit of the day, his first day of school outfit. So I'll show you guys as soon as he's dressed. So my son is out of the shower and now he's dressed, you guys. You guys already saw his outfit of the day while he was in the shower. I forgot to show you guys the back of his outfits. The back of his shirt just says blessed with these roses on it. Super cute. It's dope. I really like how dope it looks. And then that's pretty much it for his outfit of the day. You got anything to say to the people?
If you go in school, have a good school year and do your own work.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, so they're about to leave and go to school. So that's pretty much it. This is his outfit of the day. I switched out his shirts for the NASA. Y'all already know how he feel about NASA. And it actually looks better with his shoes, of course. So this is his real outfit of the day because he just switched it out. Nothing special on the back, but this is just how it looks. So yeah, this is his outfit of the day.
Coming on the low from hoes I'm hiding. This attention is so flattering cause they're admiring. Don't know what's on their mind, but it should be resigning. If that I'll be on this I get so tired.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do you want to say anything to the people for school?
Stay focused on your education, guys. Don't be distracted. Get these A+, B+. Don't try to be B+, be A+. But if you can do B+, do B+. But have a good school year, and God bless y'all all. I love y'all. Have a good school year.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe. Follow me on all my social media.
Snapchat always gets first dibs on everything.
So follow my Snapchat.
Instagram is also in the description as well.
And we love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys.
Bye.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.